Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to add bulk numbers to a WhatsApp group, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more useful tips. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Step 2. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select New Group. This is where you'll create your group and start adding members. Step 4. You'll now see a list of your contacts. Scroll through and choose the people you want to add by tapping on their names. Each selected contact will be highlighted or checked, indicating they've been added to the group setup. Step 5. After you've selected all the contacts you want to include, tap on the Next button. This will take you to the next screen where you can finalize the group details. Step 6. Give your group a name. This could be anything that represents the purpose of the group. For example, family chat or project team. Step 7. Once you've entered the group name, tap the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will officially create your group with all the selected members. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple people to your WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.